Welcome, in this video I will show you how to fix sound issues in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, let's open the settings. To do that, click the gear icon you see right here and then go to Audio tab. And the first thing I recommend doing in order to fix your sound is clicking the Reset tab icon or pressing 5 on your keyboard, then click yes, and this way the game will adjust the sound settings to your system. Now you can go manually through each of these options. For example, here you can change the master game volume. If the bar is moved to the very left, this means that you will not hear anything. So in order to increase the sound volume, you have to move the slider to the right. Also in Show More, you can go to Advanced Sound Settings, and for example, voice chat volume is by default set to 25, which might be not enough for you to hear the voice chat. So if you want to increase the voice chat volume, move this bar to the right. And you can also adjust the cinematic music volume here, the gameplay music volume, FX volume, and they all are adjusted in the same way. Now in global, the only thing that can change and that can fix your sound issues is the audio mix, but generally it doesn't really fix it. It can only adjust your sound quality, but generally I recommend selecting one of these devices from the list, the one that you are using to play this game, and this will also improve the sound quality for you. Now what's important is the audio device. So here you can change the output device. By default, the game detects the default system device itself, but you can manually change it to one of the options you see right here. And once you do that, just check the sound quality. Here you can change the speaker output, and as you can see we have different options here, and I suspect that your device might not be able to produce each of these sounds, so I recommend changing this value to Windows default if you have sound issues. This way the game will detect which of these options is best for your output device. Now at the top you can also find the voice chat. So if you have the voice chat issues, enter this tab. Here you can change the voice chat volume, check if the voice chat is enabled right here. This one is less significant. Here you can select where you want to use your voice, either in lobby, party lobby, friends only, or friends and chat channels. Just select one of these values, the one that fits most for you. And below you can change the output device, which is also very important if you want to if you want to hear the voice chat properly. So just drop this list and select the value through which you can hear your teammates. Now here you can change the microphone level. Maybe your microphone is too low on volume. In such case you have to move the slider to the right in order for your teammates to hear you clearly. Here you can test the microphone, so if you want to hear how you sound yourself, switch the toggle to the right and then just start speaking to your microphone to test how it works. Here you can change the way to enable your microphone. You can switch between push to talk and open microphone, so the push to talk will let you press the letter on your keyboard, or press the key on your keyboard in order to talk, and the open mic will detect whenever you're talking to your microphone and will enable your microphone at this moment. Now in Show More, you can change the letter you want to use for your microphone by clicking right here and then pressing the letter you want to use to enable your microphone. or pressing the key, basically, not the letter. It doesn't have to be the letter. Okay, and the last important option right here is the microphone input device. You can also change it. So basically switch between devices and enable this feature, enable this setting to test your microphone, and just check each of these options and check which one is works for you. Generally, the game detects settings pretty well, so I recommend. I think that the reset tab should actually resolve your issue. But I generally hope that this video helped you understand how to fix your sound issues. So if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.